Proceedings in the Lok Sabha were adjourned for the day, moments after the House assembled for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's reply to the debate on the motion of thanks to the President's address. Chaos erupted as soon as the sitting began at 5 p.m., with Congress MPs entering the well and aisles and raising slogans against the suspension of 8 MPs during the ongoing budget session. Several women MPs from the opposition blocked seats in the Treasury benches, including the Prime Minister's seat, and displayed a large banner reading, "Do what is right." Following the disruption, BJP MP Sandhya Rai, the acting Speaker, adjourned the House. While walking out of Parliament, Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra claimed that Prime Minister Narendra Modi did not come to the House because he was scared.
आने से डर गए सदन में और उनके रेल मंत्री और निशिकांत जी तो बुलेट ट्रेन की तरह भागे लड़कियों से।
Rahul Gandhi also targeted the Prime Minister, saying he was unwilling to face the truth. In a post on X, Rahul repeated that PM Modi would not come to Parliament as he was scared and did not want to confront reality. Earlier, Rahul Gandhi had said he planned to present the Prime Minister with former Army Chief General M.M. Naravane's book, claiming it highlights how political leadership left the army to act on its own during the 2020 Eastern Ladakh standoff with China.
मतलब नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने अपनी जिम्मेदारी पूरी नहीं की। उन्होंने आर्मी चीफ से कहा कि देखो भैया, आपको जो करना है करो, मेरी बस की नहीं है। और आर्मी चीफ ने साफ, नरवाने जी ने साफ लिखा है इसमें, आई फेल्ट रियली अलोन, मैं बिल्कुल अकेला था। आई वॉज अबेंडन्ड बाय द एंटायर एस्टेब्लिशमेंट। दिस इज व्हाट दे आर स्केर्ड of me saying
राहुल जी, पीएम को क्या करना चाहिए था?
I don't think PM will have the guts to come to the Lok Sabha today. Because if he comes, I'm going to give him this book. So if PM comes, I will go physically and hand him this book, so he can read it. And उनको पता लग जाए कि उनकी सच्चाई क्या है, देश को पता लग जाए. Thank you.
Meanwhile, the ruling party strongly criticized opposition MPs for repeatedly disrupting proceedings and not allowing the House to function. Union Minister Giriraj Singh termed the situation unfortunate, saying such chaos had never been seen during the President's address before, and accused the opposition of behaving immaturely.
ये दुर्भाग्य है। संसदीय इतिहास में पक्ष और विपक्ष होते रहा है, और ट्रेजरी बैंक का केवल दायित्व नहीं होता सदन को चलाना। पहली बार देश में राष्ट्रपति के अभिभाषण पर इस तरह का हंगामा करे, ये तो अबोध बालक की तरह कर रहे हैं हंगामा। आज तो लगा कि ट्रेजरी बेंच के तरफ चल दिए, सब लोग मारपीट करेंगे। संध्या जी थी, उनके साथ भी शब्दों का अब्यूज हुआ। बिट्टू का आज हाथ पकड़ लिए, उसको भी गद्दार कहा। क्या समझते हैं? समझते हैं कि नेहरू खानदान का राज है, दूसरा कोई नहीं आ सकता है। ये कांग्रेस पार्टी का दफ्तर है या सोनिया गांधी का घर है। ये अबोध बालक को कौन समझाए? ऐसा बचकाना हरकत आज तक के इतिहास में कोई भी विपक्ष का नेता नहीं कहा होगा। विपक्ष के नेता की गरिमा को तार तार करने का काम किया। इसलिए मैं समझता हूं ऐसे आदमी को विपक्ष के पद, एलओपी के पद से इस्तीफा कर देना चाहिए। और प्रियंका गांधी कहती हैं, बोलने नहीं देगा तो चलने नहीं दूंगा। क्या मतलब है? ये कोई सदन चलेगा स्पीकर के नियमावली से, कानून से?
The Lok Sabha has seen repeated confrontations between the opposition and the ruling party after Rahul Gandhi raised India-China border clashes during his address, referring to incidents from August 2020. Leading the Congress attack, Rahul Gandhi highlighted alleged Chinese aggression during the Galwan standoff, citing what he called uncomfortable facts from the memoirs of former Army Chief General M.M. Naravane.
He referred to remarks suggesting political indecision over the response to Chinese actions at the time. The comments drew sharp reactions from union ministers and were rejected by Speaker Om Birla, who disallowed Rahul Gandhi's repeated references to Galwan, citing violations of parliamentary rules. Then, on Tuesday, 8 Congress MPs were suspended for the remainder of the session after chaos erupted in the House following Rahul Gandhi's speech.